Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel. Welcome, everyone. Are you able to getting clearly? I will open in my mobile. Are you getting? Yes. So, audio video is it clear? So, audio video is it clear? Yes. So, audio video is it clear? Okay. So, good afternoon to all. So, welcome to Unacademy Plus Classes YouTube channel, Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel. Okay. So, today I'm going to explain about the most important MCQs which will come from chapter. Which will come from which chapter? What are the types of means from which chapter most important problems will come? How to score 90 plus in physics? Most expected MCQs. Actually, most expected means most expected models. Most expected models in the exam. So I will explain about that. See, as I explained in previous class already, that what I had explained here. No, hi Srikanth. No. 30% is not reduced. No, you have to prepare everything. Recently came the news. You have to because 30% means just it is very less only, and that reduced syllabus also very less reduced syllabus. But most important topics are not at all reduced, so that better to prepare everything. And recently just kept that for MCET syllabus complete 100%. No, shit, not reduced. You have to prepare everything. You have to prepare. So at the starting they told that 30% is reduced, but recently news came that for MCET complete syllabus. MCET are mains also. There is no reduction because online classes are going on. So they must give total syllabus. And see that reduced portion also, the 30% whatever they have given starting the reduced na, that portion also what it is called, just unimportant topic only. And every time whatever coming in exams, those important everything models are there. They didn't reduce any models from that. Okay. So that's why again recently news came that you should prepare everything total. Okay. So most expected questions. So most expected MCQs means actually see most expected models from the mechanics chapter. From mechanics chapter, from mechanics most MCQs will come. Hmm? So in mechanics mainly what in motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line and motion in a plane and loss of motion. Okay. And work energy power. Work energy and power. So from these chapters compulsory MCQs will come. And from the thermal physics, mainly from thermodynamics. From thermodynamics, compulsory two problems will come. It's thermal physics. In thermal physics, compulsory will come problems. Because see, thermal physics is easy chapter. And again from second year, electricity part. Electricity means already I have given you what is the electrostatics, electric charges and fields, and potential and capacitance, and current electricity, moving charges, and magnetism. Compulsory questions will come. Okay. So from these compulsory questions will come. See, I will tell you one model paper. Last 2019, our TS Shift 1 paper, if you observe now, if you observe the Shift 1 paper, are you there, guys? See, maximum from physical world, one question will come, physical world. And next, coming to mechanics part, straight line, plane, loss of motion, work energy power. Based on this compulsory, including all concept models will come. All concept models. All concept means including of plane and straight line with loss of motion also. And sometimes with work energy power completely problems will come. For example, see in straight line motion, generally they will give what based on vertically projected or freely falling or horizontal case. Based on that, directly they will give to find velocity or height. Like that, they will give. And from motion in a plane, maximum what riverboat concept or projectile. Riverboat concept means relative velocity in the riverboat or rain umbrella. So these concepts will come compulsory. And coming to laws of motion, mostly inclined planes combination. Inclined plane. Inclined plane combination based only they will give. Mostly. So if you observe previous paper, actually in next session I will arrange that previous paper also. Okay. So maximum they will give important models only every time, and see. And sometimes from laws of motion they will give inclined planes only with the pseudo force concept. Pseudo force. Pseudo force concept they will give. And work energy power. Are you getting voice? Say important subtopics in important chapters. Yeah. Yeah. Already I have given you important subtopics in important chapters. Yeah, actually, already I have given important chapter. These only mechanics and electricity. These are very very important chapters. And see from the tell you now, tell you. So from this compulsory, each chapter compulsory one problem will come. And here the subtopics means see motion is straight line. Actually, there is no subtopic. All are based on what kinematical equation. V equal to U plus AT, V square minus U square equal to 2AS, S equal to UT plus of AT square, and Sn equal to U plus AI by 2 into 2n minus 1. All problems are based on these equations only. Either what vertically upward and vertically downward we have to take instead of a g plus or minus. So everything based on these kinematical equations only. And coming to plane, important concept means we have what it is called. It is said to be projectile. Projectile motion. This is one subtopic, and relative velocity. And before that parallelogram law, vector concept. So these are the three top subtopics. Most important means projectile and relative velocity. Maximum they will give based on this. Sometimes if they want to give easily na, they will give based on the parallelogram law. So these three are most important. Okay, most important chapters. And next the next one, shift to 2 whether. Shift 2 also they have given same. See, what I am saying is a numerical or formula based concept. Make a timetable for preparation for MCET. Okay, yeah, Simon Kanda, hi. See, almost they will give based on numericals only. In exam compulsory 90 or 80% they will give numericals. 10 to 20% they will give theory bit. Even in some theory bits they will give logic with doing numericals. So but you have to prepare for almost numericals only. See, if you observe the previous papers, see, now I'm seeing actually I didn't upload here. In next session I will upload. I will explain the previous year MCET MCQs in next session. See, in 2019, shift 1 or shift 2, almost 40 questions are direct numericals only given. 40. So, only how many I am tell you? I will tell you. 1, 2. Only theory base means, see, yes, 3. See, 3 theory base. 4 questions given. In 2019 shift 2 paper, TS paper, they have given theory base 4 and remaining 36 are what? Numericals only given. And in first shift, and in the first shift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, in the first shift paper, they have given 5 nearly. IPE based numerical are asked. Yes. IPE based numericals only, but little bit depth. Not that much like JE, but sometimes they will give like JE also. Actually, this 2019 paper, some problems are given lengthy like mains problems. Lengthy. See, for example, but maximum problems are based on IP level. Means if you are perfect in the Telugu Academy or NCRT book, you can able to do, no problem. See, for example, I'll tell you one problem. But almost all IP level, but somewhat more than IP level. But few problems will be tough. Few problems. So actually, in IP you don't have rain umbrella concept, riverboat concept. In IP they won't give. But here see, in this paper, see rain is falling at an angle 30 degrees from the vertical due to the wind with a speed of 40 meters. We can't guess MCQs. How can we guess? But we can guess the model MCQs. Models. Formula. Which model they will give. That. See, rain is falling at an angle of 30 degrees from vertical due to the wind with a speed 40 meter per second. A car is traveling horizontal in the direction opposite to the wind speed 40 meter per second. At what angle from the vertical will it experience the rain falling from? Like this, rain umbrella concept. See, 3 blocks are connected by massless string on a frictionless inclined plane 30 degrees as shown in the figure. A force of 104 Newton applied upward along the mass M3 causing upward motion in the block. What is the acceleration of the block? See, this is given like this. Yeah, tell you. From modern physics, tell you. See, in the next session onwards, I will explain the previous year MCQs. మనకి ప్రీవియస్లో ఏ మోడల్స్ ఇచ్చారో అవి మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను నెక్స్ట్ సెక్షన్ నుంచి. ఓకేనా? ఫ్రమ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్. యా, అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ మోడర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్ దే విల్ గివ్ maximum 2-3 questions. 2-3 questions they will give from modern physics. But sometimes they may ask or they may not ask. They may give 1 or 2 only sometimes. See here, modern physics. See, in modern physics they have given one problem in that year based on nuclei. And one more problem, 2 problems from semiconductors. I told you now, just 2 or 3. Yeah, important model problems are there. Means model formulas important are there. I will tell you that only. I will explain directly with important and easy kill topics. Yeah, Utesh. Hi Utesh. Important means important model problems are there. So I will explain the important model problems what are given in the previous year. Like previous year total paper wise or chapter wise. I will explain from the next class onwards. Okay. If you want chapter wise, I will explain chapter wise. If you want paper wise overall, I will explain overall paper wise only. Whatever the way you want. For example, if you want chapter wise, Yeah, okay. Yeah, I will say. See, if you want chapter wise, for example, motion in a straight line. So, in motion in a straight line, what are the models? All based on the kinematical equations. We can do directly. And in motion in a plane means what are the topics here? Parallelogram law and what? Projectile and relative velocity. These three concepts based on they will ask every time. Every time they will ask. And loss of motion means maximum with the friction and connecting bodies or contact bodies with the inclined plane concept. Pseudo force concept they will ask. Yeah, I will explain chapter wise. Yes. Okay. I will explain chapter wise. Okay, no problem. Okay, now I will explain chapter wise. Compulsory.